Welcome back for another wedding series tutorial Tuesday. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make these personalized cocktail napkins. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please do that now and let's get started. We're going to head over to Design Space. I'm just creating a simple design for this just because it's a tutorial and we don't need to complicate things. So I'm just going to make like a simple monogram, but you can upload any design you want. Now we're going to go ahead and change the font. I'm not doing anything fancy for this either, but I just want it to look a little different. Now we're going to go ahead and resize this. I'm making it about 2 inches wide and about 1 inch high, but not every napkin is created equal. So you want to make sure to measure your napkin so that you can get the correct size that looks good for you. Now I'm going to go ahead and duplicate this. I'm going to make 5 of this image because I know that if they're 2 inches wide, I can get at least 5 across. I know that I can fit 50 of this image on a 12 by 12 mat. But if you have a 12 by 24, you're probably going to be able to fit maybe 100. A little hack so you don't have to duplicate 50 times. I select all 5 images and then I duplicate. Now we're ready to move on. So now you're going to go to the upper right hand corner and hit make. For this project, we are using heat transfer vinyl. So I'm going to click Everyday Iron On, and as you can see, it automatically mirrors it for you. I am using white for my napkin color. You could use any color you like, and I have gold heat transfer vinyl. We're going to be using our Cricut mini press for this. I love this little thing for small projects. It's so perfect. Not all napkins are created equal. I suggest using a soft napkin like Chinette. The softer napkins are easier to work with when it comes to the heat transfer vinyl. First, we're going to make sure that we have a heat absorbent surface. I use this for my cups all the time, so I'm just going to place my napkin here. Then I'll be placing my image on the bottom right corner of the napkin. You could place it wherever you like, whether it's in the middle, top, whatever you prefer. I'm just going to press my napkin for no more than 20 seconds, making sure that I'm applying pressure. And then I carefully pull off my carrier sheet, making sure I don't rip the napkin. And we have just created our own personalized napkins. Now we only have to do like 150 more. I appreciate you guys for joining me for another Tutorial Tuesday. And I hope this video gave you the confidence to DIY something amazing for your wedding. This is a labor of love, but it's well worth it. If you like this video, share this video, and let me know down in the comments what else you'd like to see from me. And I'll see you in the next one.